Looking for a short-term training that leads to a rewarding job with an attractive salary? Look no further, you've come to the right place. Enroll in our forklift operator training and get certified in less than 4 days. It's more than just a job, it's a career waiting for you. Access a salary of up to $35 per hour, and sometimes even more. We offer quality training that meets and exceeds North American safety standards. Your certificate is recognized by companies across all provinces of Canada. We've been serving you for over 65 years. Every year, more than 25,000 people trust us for their certification. Our service is personalized, and we support you throughout every step, whether it's theory or practice. We offer theory classes online or via video conference. Theoretical training is also available in French, English, and even Spanish. French or English a challenge for you? No worries. We have the solution for you. We're here to support you. You can attend your training on-site in small groups with an instructor who will guide you step by step in your progress. We can even conduct exams in your native language. You'll have special support, so don't worry. Everything here is designed to make your life easier. For practical training, we have a school warehouse where you'll feel like you're at work. You'll have the opportunity to learn to drive for 8 hours a day. You'll be in small groups, and each person will have their own equipment. No need to wait for a machine to become available. You already have experience with forklifts. We take that into account. Together, we'll take the time to assess your needs to offer you the best option. Courses are available year-round, during the day, evening, and weekends. We offer comprehensive and personalized service with the option of accessing financing for those who desire it. Once again, we guide you step by step through the entire process and share job offers from our corporate clients to help you find employment more quickly. So don't wait any longer and improve your quality of life. Come meet with your advisor, and together, we'll determine your needs. Visit us at 1240 Bullac Street in Ville St. Laurent, close to Côte-Vertu Metro.